Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore deleted rows in Smartsheet, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore deleted rows in Smartsheet, first, log into your Smartsheet account. Navigate to the sheet where the rows were deleted. Locate the Row Actions menu, which is represented by a small downward arrow next to. Click on this arrow to open the drop-down menu. From the menu, select View History. In the History window, look for the Row History tab. This tab displays all the changes made, including the deletion of rows. Find the deleted rows by browsing through the history. Select the checkbox next to the rows you wish to restore. After selecting the rows, click the Restore button at the bottom of the history window. Smartsheet will prompt you to confirm the restoration. Click Yes to proceed with restoring the selected rows. Once restored, the rows will reappear in their original location in the sheet. If you do not see the rows immediately, refresh the sheet to update the view. You have now successfully restored deleted rows in Smartsheet. Make sure to review the sheet for any further adjustments needed. This process can help you recover important data quickly and efficiently. Remember to regularly save your work to prevent future loss. You are now more confident in managing your Smartsheet data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.